Hello everyone, how are you? It's me, JC Penido. It is Sunday today, so it's quite reflective day. So yeah, I am here somewhere in Quezon City right now, and I have a question for you guys. Bakit ang tao laging nagmamadali? What do you mean by what I ask? Well, to be very honest and candid, 'di ba lahat naman halos ng tao ay laging busy, nagmamadali sa buhay, kung ano-ano na ang ginagawa, at minsan nakakaligtaan natin na sometimes we have to slow down, right? So, yun. But a lot of people have failed to realize how to slow down kasi sa mundong ginagalawan natin ngayon, hmm, lahat instant na. Lahat dapat mabilisan, 'di ba? So, that's the reality. But here I am telling you right now that sometimes in life, or at least it is a necessity, na minsan we have to take it slow. May mga bagay na hindi minamadali. May mga bagay na dapat hinihintay dahil it comes at the right time, at the right place, at the right situation, and other things. So, although hindi natin maiiwasan na may mga tao pa din talaga na mahilig magmadali. Lalo na sa akin dati, I I am very very active. I am very anxious of a lot of things. Yet I realize right now that sometimes I have to what? I have to slow down. Not because I wanted to be dull and boring, but life has to be lived in a way that chill lang. Huwag masyadong seryosohin ang mga bagay-bagay, lalo na yung mga bagay na hindi natin kontrolado. So, that's what I have learned in my life right now. May madami din ako mga iniisip na gustong gawin, gustong makamit. But sometimes, I realize also na I have to take it slow. So, a part of this communication that I am doing as part of JC Penido and Luchi Media, I would like to remind you guys, my brothers and sisters, that it is important to take it slow. Dahan-dahan. Pero I'm not saying na dapat tayo mag-stop. I'm saying is take it slow. Make it systematic. Kind of, kung may mga plano tayo, paghandaan natin ito sa maayos na paraan, maayos na sitwasyon, maayos na mga gagawin sana para walang sisihan sa bandang huli, 'di ba? So I think that's what I wanted to say right now. And if you like this video, please comment, like, and share. And don't forget to follow my personal page, JC Penido, and also other FB pages I have, like Penido Consumer Goods Stores, my main Facebook, Jace Joven Kagampang Penido. And I also have a Facebook page for my real estate and other things. So thank you. And this is JC Penido reminding you that whatever happens in life, let's take it slow. And again, this is part of Lucha Media. And thank you for your support. Bye.